When it comes to heavy-duty engines, there are certain components that are absolutely non-negotiable. One of those parts is the fuel injection pump, and today the spotlight is on the Bosch 047006006 unit, designed for the Cummins VP30 QSB5.9 engine. This is the type of part that doesn't always get the attention it deserves, but without it, there's no efficiency, no reliability, and ultimately, no performance. This particular pump, the 047006006, is a genuine Bosch component. That detail alone sets it apart, because Bosch has built its reputation on decades of precision engineering and consistency in fuel delivery systems. If the Cummins QSB5.9 is your workhorse, this is one of the essential parts that ensures the entire system delivers as expected under pressure. The fuel injection pump isn't just a supporting character, it's a control center. It determines exactly how much fuel gets injected into the cylinders, when it happens, and at what pressure. The accuracy of this process is the difference between an engine that runs smoothly and one that wastes fuel, belches emissions, or breaks down prematurely. The 047006006 is calibrated to meet the unique demands of the VP30 QSB5.9, ensuring that each injection cycle is perfectly timed and measured. What makes this specific model impressive is how it balances high-performance delivery with reliability. Heavy-duty equipment often runs for hours, sometimes days, in extreme conditions. Dust, heat, vibration, and tough workloads are all part of the job. A component like this Bosch pump is engineered to not just survive those environments but thrive in them. It's built from high-grade materials, tested against rigorous standards, and meant to deliver consistent results, cycle after cycle. The design is centered on precision. Every internal part of the 047006006, from plungers to valves to seals, works in harmony to create fuel atomization that's clean and efficient. That atomization is critical to combustion quality. Better combustion means more power, reduced emissions, and improved fuel economy. In an era where emissions regulations are tightening across industries, having a pump that supports cleaner combustion is a genuine advantage. Another highlight is how this Bosch pump acts as a safeguard for your investment. Engines like the Cummins QSB5.9 are not small purchases, and downtime on equipment can translate into serious losses. A substandard or cheap aftermarket fuel pump might look like a cost-saving option initially, but it often results in performance issues, unpredictable failures, or even engine damage that ends up costing far more in repairs. The 047006006 is designed to minimize those risks, delivering durability and stable output over the long term. The installation process is another practical advantage. Since this unit is specifically made for the VP30 QSB5.9 platform, it eliminates the guesswork. Compatibility is straightforward. It's not about forcing an aftermarket solution to fit, but rather using a part designed to integrate seamlessly for mechanics and service teams. That compatibility is valuable. It reduces downtime, cuts down on troubleshooting, and means equipment gets back into operation faster. On the performance side, this pump provides the kind of stable fuel delivery that heavy-duty operations demand. Whether powering excavators on construction sites, agricultural machines in the field, or industrial engines that can't afford interruption, the 047006006 ensures the fuel system is consistent under load. That translates to engines that not only perform better but also run longer between service intervals. Durability is built into every Bosch component, and this pump is no exception. The machining process used by Bosch ensures each piece is manufactured to exact specifications. That kind of precision may not be obvious at a glance, but it's what allows the pump to hold up under extreme pressures and still perform like new. It's the difference between a component that lasts a few hundred hours and one that reliably powers an engine for thousands. It's also worth mentioning the engineering legacy behind Bosch. As one of the leaders in fuel system technology, Bosch continues to set the standard across the industry. Their pumps are used worldwide.